Good day, class. Let's begin our today's English online class. Students, we are going to continue with worksheet number 23 and the topic is notice writing. We have done our example. Now it's turn to do the related notices. It is given at page number 51 in your book of Brevia. Let's read the heading first. Shalu Jain lost her bunch of keys during the recess hour in the school today. On discovering the loss, she contacted the vice principal of the school, who advised her to put up a notice on the notice board. As Shalu Jain of St. Mary Convent School write the notice in about 50 words announcing a reward for the finder. Now students, we have come to know that the notice is of lost. शालू जैन ने अपना bunch of keys lost कर दिया है recess hours में. कब किया है? recess hours में in the school today. Now she has been advised to frame a notice and put it on the notice board. Now the name of the person is given Shalu Jain and name of the school is also mentioned St. Mary Convent School, but the name of the city is not mentioned. Now word limit is given 50 words and a reward is also promised. So let us start the notice. Now students, we have to keep it in mind the format of the notice. First of all, the name of the institution will be mentioned and in capitals. Name of the institution is given here, so we will go with the same name. Saint Mary Convent School Now the name of the city is not mentioned, so you can mention any name. For example, you are giving the name Delhi here. Now comes the turn to write the word notice here. So we will write in capitals the word notice. After that class, we will mention the date. For example, today is 19th April. So I am going to mention the same date. If the date is given, you have to follow that date. Is it okay? Now, eye-catching heading should be given. The heading should be easy to understand. Now, what we have lost? Bunch of keys. So, we will give the heading in capitals, bunch of keys lost. This is the notice of lost, so you will write the word lost here. Now let us go through the content of the notice. Here the girl has lost bunch of keys. Now we will give a description. A bunch of keys containing, अब उसमें कितनी कीज थी? We will also give description containing two Godrej keys, उसमें कीज थी 2 तो गोदरेज कीज थी एंड अ बाईसाइकिल की, यू कैन मेंशन कि एक बाईसाइकिल की थी एंड अ बाईसाइकिल की अब स्टूडेंट्स जनरली यू सी दैट की रिंग पर कुछ ना कुछ मेंशन भी होता है किसी कंपनी का नेम, सो यू कैन ऑल्सो मेंशन इट हेयर विथ रॉकस्टार, विथ रॉकस्टार। अब उस पर खुदा होता है ना, सो यू विल चूज द वर्ड एनग्रेव्ड, एनग्रेव्ड कि उस पर खुदा हुआ था, एनग्रेव्ड ऑन इट। अब क्या हुआ है उस की के साथ, हैज़ बीन लॉस्ट, गुम गई है, हैज़ बीन लॉस्ट। कहाँ पर गुमी है, यू डोंट नो, और कब गुमी है, दैट इज गिवन ड्यूरिंग द रिसेस आवर। हैज़ बीन लॉस्ट समवेयर, कहीं पर खो गई है, समवेयर इन द स्कूल, somewhere in the school during recess hour, जब रिसेस हुई थी तब गुमी है, ड्यूरिंग रिसेस आवर, एंड व्हेन, टुडे इज इट ओके। नाउ यू आर रिक्वेस्टिंग द फाइंडर, जिसको मिल जाएगी, फाइंडर मीन्स द पर्सन हु विल गेट इट, द फाइंडर इज रिक्वेस्टेड टू रिटर्न इट, वापिस कर दे, रिटर्न मीन्स वापिस करना, रिटर्न इट किसको वापिस करना है, रिटर्न इट टू द अंडरसाइंड। अब नीचे आप अपना नेम मेंशन करेंगे, अंडरसाइंड इन रूम नंबर 40, इज इट ओके। अब ट्रीट भी प्रॉमिस किए ना, देखो, अनाउंसिंग अ रिवॉर्ड फॉर द फाइंडर। नाउ यू विल ऑल्सो एड अप a small treat is promised, a small treat is promised, full stop. Now the name of the person who has lost the key is given, and the name is Shalu Jain. First you will mention the signature of Shalu Jain, then you will write full name of Shalu Jain. Students, the name is always in capitals, okay, Shalu Jain. Now who is she, designation means वो कौन है, she is the student of 8th, for example 8th A. Here we are having lacking of space, you have to write it here, okay students, and don't forget to put the notice in the box. You have to frame the box as well. I hope you can understand. You will frame a box. Class, you will frame a box like this. I hope students the message is quite clear to you. It's so easy to understand. First you have to understand the heading, then you will notice the name of the person and the name of the institution, what is the purpose of the notice, and what have you given in the content matter. After that you will frame the notice in best possible simple manner by giving all the necessary details. But one thing you should keep it in mind of the word limit. The notice shouldn't exceed to the given word limit, otherwise the marks will be deducted. Thank you class, keep on practicing. Thanks for watching the video. Good.